y'all are doing? Well, my name is Davis, and this is part 4 of my trip to Australia. Right now, we are currently driving to the Glasshouse Mountains in Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia, to just look at the mountains, and then afterwards, we're going to go up to the peak of one of the mountains and relax in the Rainforest Cafe, and also, we're going to take a hike through the rainforest, so let's go! Oh, look, you can see one of the Glasshouse Mountains right there. There's another one. Okay, enough driving. Let's just get out of the car. We're finally here. We're finally here. We're finally here. Ignore me. Just learned how to make that edit. So, the history of these mountains they were formed by volcanic activity a couple million years ago. And if you look at that one right there, I wonder how that one formed. I bet it's formed by a volcano, but how? Have I mentioned that I'm afraid of heights? I wonder how the mountain cafe will go. Okay guys, so here we have a 360 mountain map, a map of all the mountains. So that mountain you see over there, so that very tall mountain you see over there in the distance, that very tall cliff kind of, that's called the Coonarin Mountain. It's 377 meters high. Over there, those two hills are called the Cushion Hills. I don't know. They're about that tall. And then we've got a couple other mountains. And I don't know why there's no mountain over there. Oh, I see a small mountain in the distance, so I guess that's it. So we've got a couple other mountains. And right here, I think that's a volcano or something around there, because this was formed by volcanic activity. And we've got all these other mountains. And here's a new type of plant. Come on, let's go. Well, now we're going to the mountain cafe, and we're also going to take a hike in the rainforest. So, once the trees clear up, you might be able to see the view down below. We're already a couple hundred feet high, and we're almost at the peak of the mountain. I think I've already mentioned that I'm afraid of heights, right? Here, look at that view.
So our plan is slightly changed. First, we're gonna take a hike through the rainforest, which is right next to the Rainforest Cafe on top of a mountain. And then it's also raining, so we're gonna take an umbrella with us. And turns out there are a lot of leeches inside the cafe, so we're probably not gonna go in there. Oh, what's that? Oh, we're here.
Alright guys, now we're at a trail through the rainforest. So we're inside of a rainforest right now and we're going on a walk through the rainforest, so come on. It's also raining right now, so come on. And watch out for leeches. There's gonna be leeches around here, so be careful. Come on.
Ooh, it's getting dark. Okay, I'm scared, I'll admit it. It's getting very dark, it's also raining, and look at those trees, they look terrifying.
Guys, can you believe that this huge, beautiful tree is actually a fig tree? Look, this is what it says. This is Walken's fig. After germinating high in a host tree, seedlings of this species sends roots to the forest floor, eventually growing to form a large, widely buttressed, emergent strangler fig. The roots thicken and eventually kill the host species, often leaving the fig with a hollow trunk once the host tree decays. Cavities in the trunk provide important shelter and nesting sites for birds.
Okay, I'm not gonna bore you to sleep with this. Let's just cut to the next part. Okay, let's just get out of this rainforest. It's getting dark, I'm sleepy, and I'm still experiencing jet lag. So now we're going down the mountain. We saw a couple of leeches and that terrified me. So yeah, that's one of the main reasons we're leaving the mountain now. It's also raining super hard and there's fog, and it's almost nighttime, so we're going back to sleep because I still have jet lag. We just arrived in Australia, so we're sleepy and we're gonna leave. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.